Lose this one. Then you can open this. You can open this. Open this. Then adjust the blade.
This side face to die. Another side, this side face to motor. Make sure to make two blades are same.
You close this door, then you move the head. First close the door. Second move the head. Use the air pump.
After you pull the die, use the air pump to make the head go that toward. Then you open that. You can see there are still space. There's still space between the die blade and the die. So you need to move the blade first. Rotate this black wheel and to make the die closer. To rotate the cutter. Make sure the cutter full touch of the die. If the blade not full touch, you can move out the head and rechange the position of the blade. So, and secondly, make sure the cutter can cut all the holes. You see there are many holes. Make sure the cutter can cut all the holes, not miss any holes on the die. Cut all the holes. Actually, make sure this full parallel, no gap between the die and the blade. There are no gap. Full parallel. Actually, you can make the blade a little bit closer. Makes it. You see, die cut all the holes. And rotate it. I think this space is okay, or you can make it closer. 好，可以。
Take the lock right here.
When you fix the cutter in right position, you can start the machine. You start the main motor at a slowly space. Then you need to add many water in here to make sure make the raw material going smoothly. Then you add a feeder. At the same time, you add water and start the feeder a little feeder. Then you start the cutter. Don't wait. You start the cutter first. Then after the water and a little rice come out smoothly, you can stop at the water. Then you stop at the water. Then you can increase the capacity slowly. So all solved. If the rice stick, you can move a little. You can move a little, maybe 1 millimeter or half millimeter, to make sure the cutter to separate the rice. So that is full teaching. When you run in many times, if the rice not good, if the rice shape stick together, you can rotate a little. You can rotate make sure maybe 1 millimeter or half millimeter. Rotate a little to make sure the blade is much closer with the die. And no need to stop the machine. just running the machine. Don't stop and rotate 1 millimeter, maybe 1/2 millimeter to make sure the blade closer. Then you can fix the rice stick together.